The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Toyota Highlander that has a factory flush side rail. Flush side rail actually has fixed point connections that we've connected to. And we've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system consists of the WingBar Evo 50 inches in length. In silver, black is also available, the FixPoint Evo foot pack, and vehicle specific fitting kit 187100. So both bars combined have a total weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed and crossbar spacing of approximately 30 inches. So great system for all sorts of gear, bikes, kayaks, cargo. This is just a quick look at this fit on this model. Please do identify that you do have these flush side rails before completing this purchase, but with using the links in the description below, a couple of clicks will take you to our website and you can purchase this full product. So any questions, let us know, but that's it for this one, and thanks for watching.